best chocolate ever. Can I have some more, please? This chocolate is really good. I love sweet things so much. I don't care if my mouth is messy. It tastes so delicious.
Tom, are you eating chocolate again? That is enough for today, sweet. Go brush your teeth right now.
Oh, no, Mom. I am not finished yet.
No excuses, Tom. Your teeth need cleaning now, okay?
Okay, I am going. Wait, is that strawberry cake? Just one small bite. Mom will not notice it. Tom, what are you doing? Who is that? I am brushing! I am brushing now! All right, I will brush my teeth. What was that sound? Oh, my tooth fell out. Wow, this is my baby tooth. It looks old and dirty. Ew, it smells really bad. That is funny. Mom, look what I found. Mom, look, my tooth fell out.
Oh, this is a big moment. Put it under your pillow tonight. Then the tooth fairy will come.
Really? Will she bring a gift? Yes, if you are a good boy. I will be good, Mom. I want a superhero toy. Please bring me something cool. I hope it is a big gift. Okay, time to work. Please do not wake up, little boy.
Whoa, that smells really bad. I cannot breathe in here.
Let us take a look at this tooth.
Oh, it is so lovely.
Oh no, this tooth is so dirty. I feel dizzy. Huh? What happened? Are you okay, Tooth Fairy? Here is my tooth. Where is my gift? No gift today. This tooth is too dirty. But I want a present. Rules are rules, Tom. See you tomorrow. Please give me one chance. Okay, I will. Clean the tooth first. Oh, okay. I will clean it well. how much better it is. It looks much better now.
I understand completely. Yes, I will do it.
Thank you, Tom. Oh no, not again. Oh no, not this smell again. I really need to brush my teeth. I do not want to be smelly. I brush every tooth carefully. So clean! Smell this! It is better now. Good job! This is for you! Wow! Thank you! Yes, my gift! Oh, wow! Let us see. Toothpaste? I guess I really need this. I must brush every day. I promise to brush twice a day. All right, twice a day. That means 8 a.m. sharp and then again at 8 p.m. I will not miss a session. After I wake up and before bed.
I am proud of you, Tom. I will bring more gifts later. Remember to keep your teeth shiny. Great job, Tom. You can brush your teeth by yourself. The Tooth Fairy taught you well.
I love my new shiny smile. Do you brush your teeth every day? Tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe for more stories.